Hey everyone, and welcome back to moneyboost. Some businesses rely on social media engagements. This can be difficult to gain, so some people opt to buy likes, follows, and views. You can be the one selling these, and you don't even have to do much. Want to find out how? Stick around and we'll show you. Today we're going to be talking about how to make money online watching YouTube videos. Make sure you stay until the end, as you don't want to miss how to really start collecting a lot of money just by watching videos online. Number 1. Make a PayPal. You will need a place to put the money you earn. If it's cash, you will need to keep that money in your wallet. So, what if you earn digitally? With today's money-making method, you will be earning digitally. So, where do you keep that money? The answer is in an online wallet. An online wallet is a wallet that holds money you earn online. And PayPal is the most secure online wallet out there. You will want to sign up for a PayPal account because that is one way to earn through these methods we will be looking at today. PayPal allows you to earn and spend money in an easy way. You can send money and receive money from other PayPal accounts instantly. You can also add bank accounts and bank cards to your account. If you want to withdraw money, you can easily do so by withdrawing your funds to a bank account, then withdrawing that at an ATM. It happens quickly and conveniently. So now it's time to sign up for PayPal. First, go to the PayPal website, then look at the top of the page for the sign up button. Click on that, and now you'll be brought to a page that will ask if you would like to make a personal account or a business account. Select the personal account, and now it will ask for your email address and a password. Make sure you enter a valid email address. For the password, choose something secure and never tell anyone what it is. You will want your money to stay as secured as possible. Now hit enter, and you're all set. Additionally, PayPal has a mobile app that you can download. This app has all the features of the website in a compact form. You can send, receive, and transfer funds normally through it. You can also withdraw within the app. It is very convenient for earning on the go. Number 2. Go to the AddMeFast website. Many companies look for engagement on their social media posts. The way they do this is by getting people to watch their videos and comment and share. Not everyone is lucky enough to instantly get this kind of engagement though, so they are willing to pay people to watch videos. There are thousands of companies that will pay you to watch their videos. One of these sites that hosts these videos is called AddMeFast. On this website, you can get paid to watch many different kinds of videos. On AddMeFast, you'll be watching videos from your choice of social media, and that account will gain views while you gain currency, which is called coins on this website. This website is absolutely free to join. All you need to do to start earning is an AddMeFast account. To make an account, you will need to sign up. Do this by going to their website, looking for the button that says sign up and then clicking on it. Then enter in a valid email address and a password, and then click sign up. That's it. Number 3. Navigate the website. Now it's time to navigate this site. AddMeFast is pretty easy to navigate. On the left side of the page, you will see a whole list of social media platforms that you can watch videos from. You can also see on the top left of the page a coin-based currency system. This is the key to how you'll be earning. But it is a multiple-step system, so stay tuned to see how you will use these coins. Number 4. Watch YouTube videos. Time to watch YouTube videos. This is the easy bit. You can scroll down on the left side of the page on AddMeFast and click on YouTube. Then a window will pop up. When the window pops up, watch the video in the new window. You will only need to watch around 30 seconds of it, but watch as many videos as you can to earn as many coins as you can. These coins will be important later on. These videos were posted on this site because the user wanted to garner more views. More views means more engagement. More people will want to like, comment, and share, and that boosts the YouTube algorithm and tells it to recommend the videos to other people. That will get them even more views and engagements. So, you will help out while earning at the same time. It's a win-win situation. Number 5. Go to the PlayerUp website. This is similar to a dropshipping business. We'll be earning through one service but fulfilling it with another. Say you want to get paid $20 to fulfill a task, while you hire someone for $10 to fulfill that task. You will still get $10 for basically doing nothing. We're going to be doing that today. So, we're going to go to the PlayerUp website. This website is easy to navigate, but first you will need to sign up. Go to the top of the page and click on the login or sign up button. You can log in with Facebook, Twitter, Google, Steam, or just enter your email address. Then, create a password. It's that simple and you're ready to go. On this website, you can sell many different things such as Clash of Clans accounts or Facebook likes. Number 6. Sell Facebook likes on PlayerUp. You can buy and sell likes for Facebook on PlayerUp. This is one of the things we'll be doing today. Facebook likes can be important for companies. Those likes can boost their posts and encourage more engagement. A company that receives a lot of likes will also seem more reliable, and companies will want that. Now you will be selling Facebook likes for those who are looking for them. First, go to your PlayerUp account. Now set up a listing for Facebook likes. Set your price, maybe $10, maybe $5. It's completely up to you. Now follow the next step to learn how to actually get this fulfilled. Number 7. Set up a page on AddMeFast. Now it is time to fulfill these orders. Getting likes manually will be impossible for you to do on your own, so you need to enlist in the help of other people. Remember AddMeFast? You're going to be returning to this site once again. Go to the website and log in. Once you're there, look at the top left side of the side panel and click on the Add Site or Page button. Once you click that, fill out the form. Select what you will want to be garnering, in this case, Facebook likes. Then, select how many you want. Maybe your client requested 500 for the price of $10. Set this price to 500 likes. For countries, select worldwide, and then put in the page URL. The page URL will be provided to you by your client on the PlayerUp site. Then select how many coins you want to give out per click. This is why your coins are important, because you're going to be giving those out as rewards for those who give likes to the page. Then you're all set. You can work for as many different social media platforms, as we're going to be discovering later on in this video, so stick around to find out how to do it for Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok as well. Number 8. Sell likes on Instagram on PlayerUp. One of the top social media platforms out there is Instagram. On this app, you can like photos and videos. This site has many influencers and people who will want to be influencers. In order to become one, you will need a lot of likes. Likes and followers can be hard to come by, so that's where you come in. First, go to your PlayerUp account. Again, with the Facebook likes, you will be setting up a listing. This time, you can sell likes or followers. Set your prices accordingly and fulfill these likes and follows through AddMeFast. Select the option for Instagram likes or followers according to what you are selling. Then people will start following that account and liking their content. That will lead to a happy client and a great reputation. Number 9. Sell views on TikTok on PlayerUp. TikTok is huge. This site is home to many up-and-coming internet celebrities. And these internet celebrities will want more views on their TikToks. Whether it be dancing, cooking, painting, this app is full of content that needs to be viewed. And viewing it is easy since the time limit on all of these videos is 1 minute. Now it's time to sell views. To sell views, like the previous steps, go to your PlayerUp account. Now set up a listing that says you will be selling TikTok views. Then go to AddMeFast and add a page for TikTok views. Tons of people will view it and your client will be satisfied. Number 10. Sell views on YouTube on PlayerUp. YouTube is filled with content to watch. In fact, it has millions and millions of videos for anyone to view. Sadly, not all of these videos get views. Some people want their videos to reach other people, and in order to do so, it has to run with the YouTube algorithm. The algorithm works in your favor when you get likes and comments, so some people are willing to pay for these likes. You can be one of those people that gets paid to sell likes. Here's how you can be a part of this. Like with the other steps, first you will need to go to your PlayerUp account, then make a listing saying that you will sell YouTube views. Set your price, then go to AddMeFast and set up a page so that people can view the video that your client requested views on. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!